Today we are unboxing and putting together the Smart Garden from Click and Grow. It's the Pro 9. What makes it a Pro? It has Bluetooth capabilities, and that's pretty much it. So join me and let's open this together. And the nice thing about Click and Grow, it brings outside inside. Has easy to understand instructions, packaged well. And it has a step-by-step instructions booklet as well. So let's go inside and do the setup. So first take out the bottom, take everything out. Next, you're gonna snap the arms together on both sides, and there's tape on it and there's instructions. Now take off the lid off of your planters, and it's very easy to put it back in. So now once they're all off, now start putting your planters in. Now I put the tomatoes in the middle, and I have basil on one side and the lettuce on the other because I don't want to write on the tabs. Now you can write on the tabs if you like. And once you got all that in, put the little domes on there. Now put the light on top, and now that this snaps in there as well. Now we're gonna put it in the window. Now you don't have to do this, but I wanted to do it because I thought it looked nice in the window, and I have a ledge. Now you can wave your arm, use your hand, and move it across to shut off the light on and off. Next, what you're going to do is pour water, and then when that little boat thing floats up, then you know you have all the water in there. Now, if you want to see how the plants are doing, subscribe today, and we're going to constantly be doing updates.